Some elementary properties. Property number 2. Mellin transformation of f of x power a, which is equal to a inverse of f star of p by a, where a greater than 0. We'll see the proof. We know that Mellin transformation of f of x, which is equal to integral 0 to infinite x power p minus 1 f of x dx. That is replacing f of x by f of x power a. So Mellin transformation of f of x power a, which is equal to integral 0 to infinite x power p minus 1 f of x power a dx. So put x power a equal to y. We are going to use the substitution method. So this implies x is equal to y power 1 by a, right? Therefore dx, which is equal to 1 by a, y power 1 by a minus 1 into dy. We know the formula x power n, derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1, right? So here instead of n you are having 1 by a, instead of x you are having y, the same differentiation method, right? So we are changing the limit. When x is equal to 0, y is x power a, that is also 0. When x is equal to infinite, y which is equal to x power a. So replacing x is equal to infinite, you will get infinite. Therefore Mellin transformation of f of x power a, which is equal to integral 0 to infinite 1 y power 1 by a whole power p minus 1. We are replacing x by y power 1 by a. Then f of y, x power a is equal to y. So f of y, then derivative of x, that is 1 by a, y power 1 by a minus 1 into dy. That is equal to 1 by a is constant, take it outside from the integration. 1 by a integral 0 to infinite y power 1 by a into p minus 1 into y power 1 by a minus 1 into f of y into dy. That is equal to 1 by a integral 0 to infinite y power 1 by a p minus 1 plus 1 by a minus 1. We are grouping the powers of the y into f of y dy. That is equal to 1 by a integral 0 to infinite 1 by a into p 1 by a into minus 1, that is minus 1 by a plus 1 by a minus 1. Plus 1 by a minus 1 by a get cancel, that is equal to 1 by a integral 0 to infinite y power p by a minus 1 into f of y into dy. That is equal to 1 by a integral 0 to infinite x power p by a minus 1 f of x dx. Don't confuse with that x. We are just replacing the variable in the integration, that is integral x dx, which is equal to integral y dy, which is equal to integral t dt, which is equal to integral s ds, like that. So we can change the variable, same variable all over the integration, the value is the same. So 1 by a, instead of y we are putting x power p by a minus 1 f of x dx, right? So therefore Mellin transformation of f of x power a, which is equal to a inverse of 1 by a can be written as a power minus 1 f star of p by a, because instead of p, right, we know Mellin transformation integral 0 to infinite x power p minus 1, right? But instead of p you are having p by a, that is what a inverse of f star of p by a. If it is p, we used the definition f star of p. So instead of p you are having p by a, that is why f star of p by a, which is to be proved. Thanks.